woke up on the island of Koh Tao in Thailand after having traveled continuously for the past couple of years. Recently I'd been feeling a bit exhausted after the traveling and felt myself a bit lost in life, but was excited to be on the main beach of the island called Saire Beach. I had not planned my days recently and was mainly enjoying my freedom. Hello! Welcome to another video, my friends. I am here in Thailand on an island called Koh Tao, a bit south from Bangkok. I had to take the train to get down here and then a bus the other day. Oh no, boat, 2 hours. But I am here now and I'm standing here on this small balcony, about a 20-second walk over to the beach on that side. We also have some nice mountains here.
Right over there is the beach, pretty nice.
So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do today. Explore the island a little bit. I've actually been here before, 4 years ago. But I came back because it was quite nice. There's also a swimming pool here outside of the hotel with a water slide, so I'm gonna ride the water slide. And then also eat some Thai food, explore the beach, and probably go to a party tonight. See what the nightlife is like here. But it's quite nice here because I paid $30 per night here in this nice hotel 20 seconds from the beach over there on that side. Yeah, $30 per night. You get a modern hotel room, I feel like. Really nice king-size bed, AC, and also fridge, a flat screen TV, and also a kettle. I'm gonna drink my coffee. That's what I was gonna do, drink my coffee. Oh. And also here we have you can put some clothes here, and the toilet is quite nice. When you go to the toilet, you're supposed to use this. Let's see how the pressure is on this one. Sometimes the pressure is way too high when you use it. In my videos I used to always show something of like value. You can go here, you can do a snorkeling trip for so and so much, you can go to this restaurant, it costs so and so much. But I'm tired. Maybe I'm getting a bit old. People might not watch these videos if I don't do anything exciting or like show information and stuff like that. But I've been traveling for so long, it's been so many years. I feel like I should be 60 years old already. That's actually has been the best part about traveling. Time is so slow when you travel. When you have a routine in life, the years just go by like that. I think I've said it before, but I'm just in my early 30s and I feel like I should be 60. Because I've been going for so many years, just going every 3-4 days. I've been going to the next place, next place, next place. But I did it. I achieved my dream. I was able to travel for several years continuously. And that's what I set out to do a couple of years ago when I bought this camera. I've had complete freedom actually in my life in the past couple of years. It's been really incredible, staying in different hotels, doing exactly what I wanted to do. I also want to encourage people to do the things they want to do in life. There's always a way to do it. If you hate your job, you can quit your job right away and try something else. I think I had 15 jobs in my life and I quit every single one. I got fired also, I think. I also had some really bad jobs in my life. When I was working in an ice cream factory in Norway, for example. That was quite horrible. Or when I did construction work in Sydney in Australia. What else did I do? I was working in the oil field in Texas in the United States. That was a good job. And I was working in Greece, in Sweden. I've done a lot of things actually. A lot of shitty jobs, but also some good jobs. But what I wanted to say with that is the more things we try, eventually we're gonna run into something great. So if we're not totally satisfied with what we're doing or the job we have, then we can just quit and try another one. And if we don't like that one, then we can quit and try another one. And if we don't like our situation in life, then we can always try something else until we find something we like. We just have to try a lot of different things before we find what we really like doing. I have to get some more coffee. One more cup of coffee so we can get excited, and then I might be heading out. I will be heading out to the beach and actually showing you something in this video so we don't just rant on about stupid stuff. This island used to be so packed with people a few years ago, the last time I was here, but now I didn't see a single person, so I was wondering what had happened to the island. I came out to the beach here, but it's so bright I can't be in the sun. I gotta go and buy a pair of sunglasses first. So I'm gonna show you the city here in Koh Tao and also find a pair of sunglasses. This island used to have 350,000 tourists every year, but now it was empty. It seemed like the pandemic and recent travel restrictions had taken its toll. So this island is known for diving. Everybody comes here to do diving. It's really cheap to get your open water scuba diving certificate here also. I might do that later on. We will see. You're selling mango or fruit?
Mango, okay.
Mango.
Thank you.
Okay, 20 baht for the mango.
Okay, mango.
Very good.
Mama take care, very good.
Got some mango here from a really nice lady. 20 baht. Very good. So here is one of the main roads, and this used to be so packed with people when I was here a couple of years ago. Now it's quite empty, so it seems like the tourism in Thailand has been affected not only by Corona, but also that it was hard to get a visa to travel here, but now it's really easy actually to get a visa. I had been walking around a bit, but had to go back because the rainy season is between May and December, and there was a rainstorm coming. It was all peaceful outside. Now look at this! Whoa! What is this? Whoa! A big storm! Oh, look! What can you do in a rainstorm besides staying inside? Now I feel really good, and I hope I can inspire people to start working out. The storm has passed. We're gonna walk out on the beach and then ride the water slide. I came out on the beach here and it's totally dead. No people, nothing. I don't know why. It's because it's the off season here in Thailand. So we have to wait until November, December, January probably. No people, nothing, nada. I was here, when I was here a couple of years ago, I was here I think November, December, and it was packed with people. So obviously it's the low season. Nobody's here, hello! It started raining a bit again and I sat down here. I ordered 2 dishes because usually since I've been here in Thailand, one has not been enough. I ordered fried rice chicken and famous for Thailand, pad thai chicken. Oh, cheers everybody. Oh, nom nom nom. I got the food here. We have the fried rice chicken, really good, and also pad thai. It's a traditional for Thailand. It's some kind of pasta and chicken and some veggies and onion, I think, and I don't know, sprouts, some kind of sprouts. I think this is sprouts. soy sauce. Really good. I almost finished 2 full meals here, so we can have some games. Cheers, everybody. Oh, I feel so good after the food. Here is the swimming pool of the hotel. I'm gonna jump in here in a little bit and cool off. I'm back at the hotel. This is not the type of video I was planning to make today, but it is what it is. It is what it is, my friends. Oh, I left the AC on in here. It's so nice and cold. I am the Swedish sheep. My merch, swedishsheep.com. Yeah, what am I gonna do in my life? Maybe buy a house eventually, find a girl, have a kid or 2. But I don't want to have kids now. I'm gonna wait until the very last moment, until I really need to. Maybe when I'm 40 something. 40, I have a lot of more years to do some things with my life before that. This is my life now. I stay in hotels and eat at restaurants every single day. It's quite nice. But sometimes I feel a bit lost too. If you have a job actually, and the job sucks, it's boring, then like you're so happy when the Friday comes. Friday, Saturday, Sunday is like the most incredible time. You're so happy when the Friday comes, but for me, like every day is the same now. I don't have that feeling because I don't need to do anything that's boring. When I had jobs, it was horrible. Monday to Friday was horrible. I just wanted it to pass by. But then the weekend was amazing. But now every day instead is pretty good. Like, but sometimes I think it's good to have boring things or some boring stuff you need to do, because then you appreciate it more when you have free time. But I don't have anything boring that I need to do. Oh, she came with water. How nice. I got 2 bottles of water. I remember when I worked in the ice cream factory in Norway. That was so horrible. But the weekend was amazing. But it's not like working 5 days in a row doing something boring. That's horrible. Monday to Friday. 8 or 9 hours per day. You waste your whole life. Now we're gonna go to the swimming pool. Wow, it's sunny now. The storm is gone. Oh, sure, so bright. Let's go to the beach real quick and look at the beach. We have to put on some sunscreen so we don't get deeply fried. Deep fried, like a donut. Oh. Once the bacon has started to sizzle, we're gonna jump in and cool off. Cool off. Maybe do a little bit of a trick. Pool trick. Pool trick. I was gonna just relax here by the swimming pool, but that didn't work. So I was gonna go out to a bar here, but I fell asleep. And I don't really want to go out. I remember a couple of years ago, I would run out to the bars 3-4 times a week. That was fun then, but not now. I don't know why. Maybe I am getting old. Maybe it's time for something else in my life. Stop traveling and go do something. So I came back here with some milk instead. I don't know, I don't want to go out to the bars anymore. I saw some people there. I used to go out so much and get wasted a couple of years ago. And I turned into somebody I didn't want to be then. Going out, drinking, doing stupid stuff. But now, I don't want to do that. I don't know what I want to do. I also bought some chips. I'm gonna stay here, I think, for 5 days in this hotel, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do. But thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and leave this video a thumbs up and post a comment so we can reach 100,000 subscribers. I will not stop until I reach 100,000 subscribers. And actually I will not stop after that either, but thanks for watching and see you next time, my friends. See you next time. In the next video I will show you the incredible island of Koh Nang Yuan, also located right outside of Koh Tao, where I was currently at.